From puppy to dog. Every life begins small.
Even the smallest bodies want to move.
One day, the world appears. Falling is part of learning. Even before walking, dreams begin. The world is bigger than it looks.
Sometimes excitement runs faster than legs. Curiosity asks before courage answers. Every mistake teaches balance. Growing means trying again. Sometimes growing means meeting someone new. Play teaches faster than words.
Mistakes are part of fun.
Being brave means not being perfect. Growing is easier together. Growing happens quietly.
Joy helps us grow. Being strong also means being gentle. Some joy begins with waiting.
Growing up means walking side by side. Every beginning grows into a promise. Some places remember us. Growing never really stops. Every life grows into another beginning. Love does not need words. Some stories do not end. They stay with us.
See you soon, my feathered friends.
Follow my feathers for more curious adventures.